I don't bring an update from the man way bathing wife with acid. How many of you remember? Well, for now, we don't know it happened live for Ghana. They said the man tired for his wife. He said, you know, do again. So he can't send the woman out. The woman generally go back to her father's house. After all, she no be orphan. This woman there in Papa house, and so this man pretend say, hey, I'm forgiving you. I want you back. Now, so he bathed this woman with acid, all in the name of pretending to reconcile my people. Nah, I don't bring one at the update. And according to Wager Secret Court, where they for Greater Accra region, they don't sentence this man to 10 years imprisonment. For now, when they ask me what he be name, I go tell my name. Hope say una not go look for this man now go do something, you know, because me una just leave and make the law face him by himself. His name na Papa Ni. I don't know, Ungwanu. My question now be say, why 10 years? Una go dey wonder, why 10 years? For this kind of crime where this man commit, una dey tell me say 10 years. Maybe una never see this one. I bet put the woman face. Una see this face. This one na just the face. He back up. Now they tell me 10 good years. This woman's face is badly bad and terribly terrible. They even say now, she no even feel open in eyes. They say in eye no feel open, and at the center she no even full breathe. Now the person no feel breathe, person eye no feel open. Una they tell me 10 years. I beg, I don't know who how many people they in charge of this case, but because I bring her out because una need to in fact, I don't even know how I even want to put this English. Reconsider una standards. Reconsider this crime. This man deserves more than 10 years. You know what it be that? He deserves more than that. Because look at, make we first look at from this angle. This woman now, this face, I be the body. She go carry am permanently. Permanently. See, we dey talk about acid. We know they talk about hot palm oil. Even oil self, we dey take time, yes. We dey talk about acid. She go carry am like that permanently, oh. But this man go enter prison. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 years don't reach, he don't come out. He go move. Continue with in life. So what are we talking about? No, I don't know whether on they reason my own level. I know that, but anyhow they reason now. I still want to make when I start the dropper for that side. Now there's the kind of things where they happen between husband and wife. I don't understand. The thing can't be like witchcraft. I don't understand. You send person away. Oh yeah, now the woman not be even say she argue or she fight you or you understand. You know, some women once you send them packet, give them 2 days. They go give you surprise visit to come check whether another woman do enter house. Then they go start a fight. This one, as she send her out, she say I have father. That's so you go in Papa house. Nah, you know do you still go for that father house. First of all, make her bring my vocabulary inside this matter. Offense, gravity of I mean, make una forgive me, not be my I don't study law. But now understand, you enter the father house, first gravity. You commit the crime for this girl father house, meaning say you don't even get respect for the father. You still pour an acid on top. Make una help me settle this thing, because me, I know they agree with any 10 years nonsense. I know they side that one. If you know say you they agree, I beg, still drop her there. But this one, we go battle her and a day behind this thing now. Oh yeah, may we even look at from this other side now, 10 years. You know what I think? Why? Okay. May they just leave the 10 years. Relax. May they leave the 10 years. May you not even go prison. You see that same acid? May they pour. No, not just so that una go see. Una think say this man go gree because he knows 10 years go reach now. Before you know, you see, close your eye, open up 5 years don't pass. So why not make they pour the same acid so that two of them go dey the same condition? I don't know whether na like that they feel do, but me, I wish they na like that they feel do. Because many people now they do bad things, and una mind the only thing when they think of they just send me to court now. 1 year in prison now. I will come out, my life continues. Now the mistake, now the thing where the people mind now, why you see say many people now they do bad things. They don't even they consider, they don't even care. So now why now? I will say I be lawyer, I be judge. We need to put this thing inside the constitution. Okay, even though we they talk about Ghana, my fellow Ghanaians, and in fact the whole wide world, we will start to put this thing inside our laws. Anybody will do something, now that same thing you go receive as punishment. You now go see how everybody go straight. Everybody go start to think twice before they do something. But now, see how we did. Because nobody even respect law. Nobody even they think, when you even mention one thing like that, they say, it will come and it will go. So I beg, my fellow Ghanaians, my lovely Ghanaians, now because of when I bring this thing, 10 years is too small for this man to face this thing. You understand? I beg. Because so reconsider them. Think and now one and help me share this video so that they go know this woman go live with this thing for life. Oh, make una no forget. Make the comment start the roll for that comment section because I know say many of una get other things to say. How many years you feel say they supposed give this man? Abi you agree with me? Say as he do they supposed do am back. Which one? Start the drop off for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video one more time. Everybody know say now the latest update be this concerning this animal where they call himself husband. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you not gonna miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, protest don't start from Ikorodu. Matter reach me say they arrest one man. They say no do anything, no. They arrest him because of nothing. And this man now when they carry and go prison, he don't dey there, God knows how long. Now so he can't die for that place. He die inside police people custody, according to my time reach me. And they say this arrest happened for Ikorodu. Again one time where they say one bike man die based on one or two things where they happen. I know how that area always dey. And this very person where they talk about, they say name now Molola, he did there with his girlfriend, they relax. And so police people just storm the area. You know how our police people they do. And so they just carry this man without even asking questions. They don't ask her anything. They just carry her like that. My people are bringing her on her side. So then I go see Korodu people as they vex. Because join me, we could watch the video. Now only Nigeria police, where they now only them with they say they wear uniform, but at the center they don't know the work of the uniform where they wear. I don't understand why they too hard for una to do investigation. Simple investigation. Oh yeah, you've gotten to the place. You know go ask questions. You know go. Oh yeah, even if you go carry all the people where they around that side. First of all, no be to ask them question. Our police now they don't turn prophet. Just they go just see you now. They go just assume say you be one criminal or something. I no just understand. Every day for Nigeria now one bad news or the other one. You know how many people don't die? Like death where they don't even know anything about. Many people don't confess to crime where they don't even commit for this country. Why? Because of the way the system don't spoil. Everything just dey anyhow. Police people no go show up on time. When maybe one crime just happen or something they happen, they no go come. They go wait. And they talk this thing every time. And by the time they come, everything don't finish. They go come start they pick all the people where they there. Already the people where even they involved in the crime don't run go. Why our own always dey different? Why? Why? This man when I arrest him, and they should say they don't torture themselves. They question and torture him. Police people be enough with the oppression. I beg una enough. Because as it be now, my people see. All this say, I'm not saying me una no protest. But as it be, no, me una thinker. This protest now, wetin go solve? Because they no go do she about this matter. They no go do the best thing, make all of una go house. Bury person wey don't die. In as much as they pain, yes, bury him. And this, I don't know whether I get wife or be get children, but make una find out, and maybe una go help them with something. Make this man, because except maybe in another Nigeria, this one una go protest from now till tomorrow. Yes, when these people tire, una know the result. They go send people make God see. Just make all of una just go rest. I beg. It dey pain, but nothing wey you fit do. We all know. You understand? Na the matter say I go bring for una be this was straight from Ikorodu. My condolences, because now I don't hear many things. So people say, hey, be my friend. Many people just they bring their last moment with this person. I beg, make all of them take heart, and I pray say God will give your family the strength where they need. My people, now the matter be this. So I beg, make una start to drop the comment for that comment section. I want to know what you una think. How I don't know whether truly in they involved. I know they involved inside this matter. I beg. I want to hear from una straight. And yes, una go get new presenter for this platform. And I not go stress una with who he be, where she from, whatever. No, I go give una straight details. And for this Friday, una go get them here live and direct. Now, why if you never subscribe or click on that bell, you're going to miss everything we get here for you. Don't forget to share this video so that everybody go know how it dey be now for Ikorodu. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't catch Ole Buruku. Yes, they catch a red-handed my people on a Sunday. They say now Sunday this guy go. He say the good thing. We don't know whether I just rent house because the things way they catch am with my people. I don't know whether I just rent house or way they renovate. I be just they moving and it happen live for Delta State. They say break inside person house, person go church. As the person, una see how God they work. Person they church. Now they call this. Now he goes, he break inside the person house. So he carry bed. If una see, I bet start they put bed and generator. Now as they catch up, they put the bed for a may pose. They snap a picture. Carry the generator, pose. They snap a picture. Now so you just then get the post. Now so they just carry and boom. They say, Madam Aproko, oh yeah, do your work. And I don't come do my work. Now I don't know whether that my people I don't even know how I will start they even explain this matter like this. It be like German, lie down on top stolen bed. I been waiting to work on this one now. Household thief. Because the things where thief now for house. So how we want to start it? Maybe just true. Maybe just rent house. If it be, he just rent house. We don't get money. I be mama, baba don't marry girl. We put for house. Like I dey try. All these small boys where they no go just relax, wait for their time. Maybe this one still suppose they in papa house. But don't rush ahead of time. Say what you know fit take care of yourself now. You they go. I don't just understand. Like I know just una no go wait for una time. Small baby we go start they grow for your this thing. I'm not a big boy. I'm not a big boy. Small hair we don't they grow now. You go feel say you don't grow past everybody. No, it remain gas cooker and fridge. Why you no go? I just the one. My people now they see this size of bed. How this guy been the plan carry this thing only him, and then the generator attached to it. No, I just the wonder. I be plan to carry a one by one. I be only him. No, if they be two now, we for say okay, maybe they feel find way. Waiting this world just be turn inside. Waiting this world just be turn inside. I don't feel stop the look up. Even get 6 packs. Like they go gym. Like I beg all of una when no say una catch this boy snapper like this, una do well. You people you have done well. You have satisfied our yes. So now like this you supposed to they do. But I beg make una no forget. As soon as they catch this one, I beg no forget to snap the thieves where they wear agbada. Una know, I don't need mention name. All those ones, hey, una know them. Don't forget to they catch them, all of them. Start they catch them and make sure say you snap them like this too. No, the law is the law. We are all human beings. We are all equal. You understand? The only difference is some people get money past other people. But see, this thing, now the same thing. We all get them. You understand? So I beg as soon as they catch this one, remember to catch the other ones too. Snap them, full name, if I address if possible. Very, very important. And those ones, una no say no be generator, una go catch them with na block. May they hold the blocks like this money. You understand? Snap them too. We need to see. Very, very important. For people. I don't know whether na police this one they go. I be they go forgive them because some people now they don't they talk say I bet they just leave her now. Since na house things. Thief is thief. Whether you steal tomato, whether you steal pepper, whether you steal bed, generator, money, thief is a thief. Anything where you take without person consent, now stealing be that. Very, very important. So I beg, una don't hear the matter be this. State from Delta State. My Delta people, make una well done. Now the matter be this. I beg anything where you guys talk concerning this matter, if you know the person. I don't know how una go do it, but it be like say you need help. Whether una go bail am, but just say make her bring her straight to una. Yes, now the matter be this. I still want to wait till una dey think concerning this matter. Drop her for that comment section. And yes, how many of una remember say una go get new person for this place? I no come ask una make una guess again because I don't notice say many of una know they get up. I don't make the thing easier now. Una go get on live here. The person where they talk about on Friday. This very Friday. So make una just stay tuned. And make sure say you click on that notification bell. If not, you go they miss interesting matters like this one. Share this video. Don't forget so that everybody go know. Wait till they happen for Delta State. Stay tuned for our next story.